I said in my previous video, I really want to try all the eyeshadow palettes from the Vault collection. So today I used Ring the Alarm. So I guess this will become a series here on my channel, me trying so hard to make the Vault collection work. I'm just kidding. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I used today. I'm not going to say much in the intro. So this is the makeup look that I achieved with this palette, and if you want to see how this palette performs on my eyes and also to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Dang, I look weird. Alright guys, so today I'm going to try another eyeshadow palette from the Vault collection, and I think I'm going to try, let's see, Ring the Alarm. Let's see this one. Ooh, the colors are beautiful. This is so gorgeous. I really want to try this one. This is called Bomb S. It's like a red shimmery shade. Also this one is gorgeous. I really want to try all the colors, but it's kind of impossible. So let's see what makeup look I create with this palette. But I really want to try this one and this one. Like, these two colors are calling my name, and let's do this. So what we learned from my previous video is that the mattes are not worth it, in my opinion. I already primed my lids with my concealer. I didn't set that. As you can see, it started to crease. I'm going to zoom you more in a little bit, but I really want to make this work, you know what I mean? I'm trying this hard. I don't know if it's worth it, but I really want to make this work because the colors are so beautiful. So beautiful. I cleaned all my brushes, and as I said, I primed my lids, and you can see that the concealer is creased in there. So I think I'm going to apply just a little bit more because it's not enough. So I'm using my Maybelline concealer. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to start with a Rush, and that will be my crease color. Let's take a Rush on a fluffy brush. This is from Kiko. This is like a blending fluffy brush. I really love this. So as you can see, I have some product on my brush, and let's hope for the best. And this is not what I usually do for my crease color, but I don't have a lighter shade in this palette. So far, not bad. I'm going to build a little bit more this color. On a smaller brush, I'm going to take Framed. Oh, that's pigmented on the brush. Let's see how this performs on my eye. This is a cheap brush. I don't know if I got this on Amazon or AliExpress, but it's a cheap brush, and as you can see, this already started to act weird. I mean, it's better than the green shade from Armed and Gorgeous palette, but it's not amazing. I really want to make this work, Jaclyn. I'm going to go with Rush again because that is gone. And also I'm going to blend the edges right here. And I don't really like how this looks so far, but I'm going to keep going because I want you guys to see how they perform on my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of Rush on the brush that I applied Framed, and I'm going to blend this. As you can see, I did my other eye off camera and I don't know what to say. Next I'm going to take just a little bit of Secret and I'm going to focus this mostly right here, but let's see. So I think I'm going to use the same small brush. Let me clean this a little bit on this piece of sponge so I don't have any framed on this. And let's try Secret. Can't believe that rush, it almost disappears, so I'm going to take a little bit more on the fluffy brush and bring this to life. So I think this is as good as it's going to get. I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to be right back. I think it's raining outside because I can hear the thunders. Hey city, how's the weather?
It's currently raining and 22 degrees in Isco. Expect thunderstorms starting in the afternoon and partly cloudy skies tonight. Today's high will be 22 degrees and the low will be 19.
Thank you. Alright, so I think I'm going to apply a little bit of Bomb Ass right here, almost in the center. And then here I'm going to apply Lolly. So I'm going to use the same brush that I applied my concealer. I kind of clean this a little bit. And I'm going to start with Bomb Ass. This is such a gorgeous eyeshadow. Wow, that's gorgeous. Alright, so that went so nice on top of the concealer. I'm going to change the brush. I'm going to use this one. It's a flat brush also, and I'm going to take Lolly. I'm going to apply this right here. Oh, I think Bomb Ass is a little bit more creamy than Lolly. Or maybe it's just my brush. I'm going back with Bomb Ass. I'm going to blend this. But so far I like this combo. The shimmers are absolutely gorgeous, okay? The problem is the matte shadows. Okay, that's enough. Next I'm going to take, I don't know, Framed or Secret to blend this. I think I'm going to take a little bit of both, so I'm going to start with Framed. I'm going to blend this. That was nice. Next I'm going to take just a little bit of Secret. Alright, so that blended nice. I think this palette overall is a little bit better than Armed and Gorgeous. So to highlight my brow bone, I don't think I'm going to use any shade from this palette because I don't like any color from this palette to highlight my brow bone. So I think I'm going to use a shade from the palette Armed and Gorgeous. I think I'm going to use Guilt Trip, this beautiful gold shade. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright guys, I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye, and also I'm going to do my face makeup, and I'm going to be right back to do my bottom lash line. So I just did my face makeup, and also I did the bottom lash line on this eye, and overall I think this makeup look is, I don't want to say gorgeous, but it's gorgeous. So I'm going to do the bottom lash line on this eye. First I'm going to start with Bomb S, and I noticed that I didn't have any fallout on this eye. So first I'm going to start with Bomb S. Next I'm going to take just a little bit of Framed. And with the same brush I'm going to take a Secret. I'm going back with Bomb S. And on a smaller brush I'm going to take Lolly. I'm going to apply this right here. I think they are pretty even. Next I'm going to take again a little bit of Guilt Trip, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Look how beautiful this pop of gold looks in my inner corners. So I think this makeup look is complete. I'm going to apply my lashes, and I'm going to be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so here's the thing. In my opinion, Ring the Alarm performed way much better than Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm speaking about the matte shadows. The only issue I had, it was with Framed, with this purplish shade, and this blended a little bit funky, but it was buildable, and also it's pigmented, so the shades, the matte shades from this palette, they feel the same. They feel as powdery as the mattes from Armed and Gorgeous, but they are a little bit more pigmented. I don't know, they performed different, if that makes sense. I like all the colors in this palette. I wish she included a brow bone highlight and also a lighter matte shade, like for the crease, but other than that, this performed way much better than Armed and Gorgeous. I'm not saying that this is amazing. This performed a little bit better than this one. So if you have to choose in between these two, I suggest you to go with Ring the Alarm. Also, this red shadow, this Bomb S red shadow, oh my god, is so beautiful. So the shimmers are creamy, buttery, pigmented. They are gorgeous. The only issue is the matte shades, but as I said, this performed a little bit better. I'm curious to see how these two will perform on my eyes. So stay tuned for my future videos, because I still have 2 more eyeshadow palettes to try. And yeah, so far I still sustain my opinion. I don't think they worth it, so focus on something else, something more quantity over quality, as I said in my previous video. And that's it. This is the makeup look that I created with Ring the Alarm. I don't know, what do you think? Overall, this makeup look is gorgeous, I'm not gonna lie. So let me know down below, what do you think? What are your opinions on this eyeshadow? I think only on this eyeshadow. So I hope this video was helpful. As I said in my previous video, if you want to get this, if you really want to have this in your makeup collection, well, I really hope this video was helpful in a way. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.